why I live in a weird place. Right. We'll take this inside, away from Philip, the scraping idiot. So, it's hot, it's nice, it's lovely. I don't know. I've been in here editing books. Today, been wandering around the park with Solo before it got too hot. And over the last couple of weeks, I've been collecting random objects in the park. This stuff is all just found objects. Put it down a minute, hold on. Right, that's better. All of this are just random pots and tops of bottles and things. And for ages I've been sitting here doing I could just make a model of a figure or something. And then I had a thought. I've got a random cupboard outside my front door. And I thought, you know what I could do? I just make some more random flowers rather than making a figure. So this lot will turn into flowers. Flowers that I can't buy. Let's return to that. We have a Versace spoon. I made a video about this, it was quite popular. People liked the funniness of that. A Versace spoon. I think that will go in the ground and be a Versace spoon tree. Okay, so we are here. This is the found junk as it is. I've got these, which are made into a tree, but it's just wire holding plants together. You know? This is the cupboard in question. As you can see, there's a few of these random plants. I have these little pots as well. This is gravel from a fish tank. But we're going to put. It's very pretty. It's all glass. Okay, I've got one more. I've sort of taken to clearing out junk. I've done a little. I should have shown you before I did it, but this is an ashtray from the Holiday Inn. I don't know where it came from. It was in this flat when I moved in. My grandmother's, I'm assuming, and then never smoked, but it was an ashtray, you know, should anyone ever come around and did smoke, you know, in a time when people did smoke indoors, weirdly. Is this going to work, or it'll just deflate? Doing? Wait, you coming in? She's wandering off. Well, anyway, there we go. That is my random plants available to buy nowhere or nowhere to buy or something, whatever it is. And I hope you found this as fun, entertaining little video, using up junk that I found in the park and making them into flowers. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. Leave comments for something else to do, other things to do. And if you're not already, hit subscribe and come along each time for more random things found and more objects made. And also join on TikTok, where you can see on a daily basis me finding things, making things, doing random things, and just follow along and see what we come up with. But for now, I'm going to go feed the dog and put this camera down because my arm's starting to get tired. See you later. Bye.